Coffee. Kakagising ko lang, guys. Good morning. Coffee time. Thank you. Like how to live. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, Pod. Hello. 2 million in the house. Salamat sa nagta-thumbs up. Malamig. Malamig yung umaga. Cold here. Raining here. That's very cold. Very cold. Hello, everyone. I'm not alone. Hope in the praise of wait lang. Ay. Kada ko, 40 lang. Ay, kasi lang. Hi, Anime. That's hello. My breakfast. It's my breakfast. The papaya, aray ko. Where you're really pretty. Ah, thank you, Anime. That's NRD. Hello, NRD. My breakfast. You like? Not alone. Not alone. Thank you. Hello, NRD. Long. Yummy. Let's eat the breakfast. Thank you for the 10 million in the house. Thank you so much. Salamat. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat sa nagta-thumbs up. Thank you. Almusal. Good morning, anime edits. Good morning. What are you drinking? Eating. The papaya. Where are you from? Anime edits. Where are you from? Wait lang. Wait lang. Just a minute. Thank you for the heart. I drink coffee. I'm a coffee lover. I like coffee. Hello, hi, Adam, Anime Edits. Where are you from, Anime Edits? Where are you from? Thank you for the thumbs up. How else about more irresistible every day? Hi, thank you, Elsiba. Wow, you speak English now. You learn English now, Elsiba. Thank you. Thank you so much. You can just call me A if that makes it easier. Oh, okay. Hi, A. Where are you from, A? Where are you from? How old are you, A? Are you young? Still, you are the kids or young? Adults? Anime edits. Thank you sa naga-heart dyan. Salamat. Thank you for heart. Salamat. Ay, salamat sa mga pa-heart. Thank you. Thank you sa heart. Heart. Hold on. Hold on. Thank you guys. Guys. Thank you so hard. Irresistible. Thank you, Elsival. Why irresistible? Why irresistible? Anime edit solo. Where are you from, anime edits? Where are you from? How old are you? Where are you from? Canada. Oh, wow. Canada. Thank you for the thumbs up. Nice to meet you, A from Canada. How old are you, A? How old? 11. Oh my God, you're too young. Amoy paksiw. Nagbago ka ng profile, amoy paksiw. Bakit nagbago ka ng profile? Nagbago ng profile si amoy paksiw. Nagbago ng profile. Ba't nagbago ka ng profile? Nangyari? Parang maganda yan. Parang maganda yung ano mo, bagong profile mo. You're only living an anime. You're only living A. You're too young. Too young. Thank you sa heart. Sa naga-heart. Ah, daming heart. Lots of heart. Salamat. Thank you. Thank you po. NRD. Hi, thank you, NRD. Hello. Ay, mali. Mali pala. Salamat sa nag-heart. Thank you po. Maalan dito. Ulan. Thank you. Teary eyes profile. Teary eye? Bakit? Bakit teary eyes? Madilim eh. Madilim, hindi ko makita. Ano, parang may ano lang. Parang ano yung profile? Bakit teary eyes? Anong problema mo? May pinagdadaanan. Ulan. Malamig dito. Maulan. Sarado. Bara kami isa. Ano ligat yan si Ma? Thank you. Come down, come down, come down. Hindi ako nararapat sa'yo. Mas mabuti pa ang puso. Bakit, Terry Art? Ang tagal naman mag-ano? Pistahin, ayaw magkinto. Bakit? Anong problema? What's your problem? What's your problem o may paksel? Sakit lang ko. Bakit? Nagkwento ka. Ano gusto ko malaman? Gusto ko malaman. Salamat sa 7 million in the house. Nakakantok. Nakatamad. Kape na lang ako ba ang I'm coffee. Hello! Ayan, umuwi kami ng Bulusan para sana sa fiesta ngayon, para sa libing. Ha? Sa libing? Sino namatay? Sino patay? Namatay. Para sa fiesta ngayon. Nakakalungkot naman talaga. Malungkot talaga. Malungkot yung ganyan. Malungkot. I felt sad for you. Ano, Paxel. Condolence. Sino, mama mo? Family member? Family? Ano po? Bakit? Ano? Nakakalungkot. Mahirap yung ganyan. Unexpected na ano pangyayari. Taga Bulusan ka pala. Nakakalimutan ko na eh kung saan ka eh. Bulusan ka pala. Thank you for the 3 million in the house, 4 million pesos. Salamat. Ano, malungkot tayo ngayon. Ha? Uh, condolence sa, sa pamilya ni Amoy Paxel. Sana paabot sa'yo, condolence po. Nagaano yung panahon ngayon sa'yo? Sumasabay, maulan, malungkot, makulimlim, malamig. Nung nakaraang araw lang, ganyan, maliwalas, maganda. Ay, malungkot, ulan. Malamig. Malamig. Oh, salamat sa nag-heart. Thank you for the heart. Thank you so much. Oh. Salamat sa nag-heart. Thank you. You look tired. No, I'm just wake up. Not tired, just wake up. My leg is tired yesterday because I walk a lot. A long walk. Long walk. Thank you for the heart. Maybe it's you, A. Give heart. It's wrong to say, please let me too. Nakanto. Gusto ko nga higa eh. Nakapanood. Walang asinsuhan ko. Katamad-tamad eh. Gusto ko ng... Wala eh. Ayaw mo rin magsulat-sulat. Nakapanood. Basta, salamat sa nag-thumbs up. Salamat sa thumbs up. Tigilan, manood lang kayo. Stay put. Malapit na, pero malayo pa. towel ko. Soaring. Woo! Malapit na, pero malayo pa. Sana, oh my God, manifesting, ma-monetize na. Thank you. Thank you sa mag-heart. Mag-heart ulit kayo. Mag-heart ulit. Mag-heart. Ano, manonood lang. Mag-ano kayo dyan? Sige na, magkwento ka na. Tanong. Hi, Tito. Oh my God, Tito. Salamat. Thank you, Tito. Kumusta? Kumusta ang Canada? Thank you, Tito. How's si Tita? Thank you, Tito, for joining here. How are you po? Thank you, Tito Stephen. Ano po? Masakit sa ulo. Sakit sa katawan, sa lens. Have you received from us for the barangay term contest? Yes, Tito. Thank you, Tito. From to Gcash. Mark. Hi. Thank you, Tito. Oh my God, Tito. Thank you so much. I want to say thank you for Tita and Tita. Thank you for supporting me. It's helped me a lot. Tita and Tita. Hi, Mark. Hello, Mark. Welcome back. Let's see, Mark. Welcome back, Mark. Good morning. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Tita and Tita, for supporting me. It helps me a lot. Oh my God. Hi, Mark. I received from Gcash. It helps me. Maybe not him, but it helps me a lot. Yes, Tita did not confirm if she did send it already. Already sent. She said it's from both of you. So both of you decided to send it to me. So that's why it's really thank you so much. It helps me a lot, Tita and Tita. So, thank you so much. Hi, Mark. Oh, it's been a long time. For a long time. Where's Tita Tito? I want to say thank you for being here. Shout out to you. Thank you from Canada. Hope your fiancé much our donation in the spirit of sharing. Yes, much. He don't want to I don't want to I don't want to support me for Mother Queen. But they don't like me to be a candidate for Mother Queen. So I don't care. I don't care. But he gave me but he gave me money for foods, expenses for foods. Not but not for Mother Queen. He said uh not I don't like that. I said it's for donation, like for our barangay, but I don't like that. He thinks lots waste of time, waste of money. His mindset is very different, so that's why I think it's fine. But you my friends here, supporting me from other countries. I really appreciate it so much. Oh God. Thank you guys. Thank you Tita and Tito so much. Your fiancé should be beside you and supportive in your in the endeavors. Yeah, but I give her 25 pesos for her and her son's needs. 25 pesos. Each month. Yeah, sumbatan na. Ang Naba Prasad sa Tapate. Hi sister, hello. Thank you, Tim. I'm fine. I'm fine. Prasad sa Papati. Gorgeous Cheryl. Thank you, Mark. Thank you, Tim, for supporting me. Thank you so much. And I don't give her for Queen because the people putting it on and she has not been paid for her job in 4 months. And it's the same people. But complicated. Same people. Same people? No. You look smart. Just look, but I'm not smart. Stupid. Always. I'm tired. Your hairstyle super. Super. Super what? Super black. Super black. Anyway, Cheryl, I wish you the best. Thank you, Tito Stefan. Thank you. Thank you, God bless. Always. I found love. Thank you. That's the key. Where's Tita? Night there now in Canada. Going to sleep na? Wait, what time na? 6:21. Your hair open. Ano yun? Ano yun? Yes, God. Will guide you towards the right path. Thank you, Tito. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for helping and supporting me, Tito. God bless both of you, Tito and Tita. Thank you so much. You who is country go? Huh? I'm from Philippines, Naba Prasad. I'm from Philippines. I remember you joined yesterday. You from India, right? And what part is that taken? Pat. Pat pat. Pat pat. Wow. Thank you. Canada. Ah, wrong spelling is wrong. Nabaprasad. Netherlands, Iraq, America. Hello. Hindi. Wala. Walang pera.
Nakakuha ka na nga.
An-
Nakakuha ka na nga ng duro ba?
oo. Masukot ka na?
Hindi na si ate sa masukot sa to.
Ama.
Kilala mo ito?
Dili.
Kilala ni mama mo?
Ama.
Si Atos?
Ama. Si Atos. Binagwa?
Yeah.
Siya masukot? Sige.
Ito kay kilala mo na. Magbuot ba ito?
Mabog. Kabats ko ito.
Kabats mo ito?
Mano ka man? Malibot ka ulit?
Ito. May jigas daw. Dala ko na tindahan.
Sabi mo din sila kakaano?
Bago na kuma-order. Malibot naman. Kaya ba si May magkuha pa?
Sige, libutan na para makuha.
Si sister mo na yung makuha. Ay, kuha na naman. Wala si Kawa.
Canada, Netherlands, Iraq, America, London, England, country. Wrong spelling is wrong for Canada. Hi, Golden. Hello, Golden from Ohio, America. Ohio, yes. I remember now where you're from. Golden. Go, bringing my beautiful wife out for supper. Get to go, bringing my beautiful wife out for supper. Thank you, Tito Stephen. Thank you so much for joining here. Thank you. God bless you always, Tito and Tita. Thank you. Thank you for your generosity. Thank you so much. God bless you always, both of you, Tito and Tita, from Canada. Rap, guys, to like it. Rap or tap. Speak to your brother. Tito ask you a question. Ask me a question? Tito ask me a question. Tito, I ask you a question. What's your question, Tim? Sige, go ahead. Tito is still here. Go ahead. Ask Tim. Go. I ask. Sige, ask him. Bye, sister. Bye-bye. Nabaprasad. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ask him. Him. Okay, ask him. Ask him. Tito is still here. Go ahead. Sheryl, stop. Why should I stop? Oh my God. Why should I stop? You asked Tito if you said, what you said? Oh my God. And what part is that, Tito? And what part for me? You ask him, he won't answer me. He won't, maybe because Tito is busy. He said he's going to go outside with Tita. Tito bring Tita going outside for supper. That's why he's busy. Dan. Gulay. Mike. Sheryl, not important. Hello, Sheryl cute. Hello, Rigo. How are you been? How is family? I'm still working. My family is still good. Good morning, my dear. Good morning, Rigo. How about you, Mark? It's a very long time. Long time no here. What happened? You still feel mad? You still mad at me, Mark? Sam, hello from Rodrigo. Hi, Mark from Rodrigo. Tip tip like. Okay, easy. Okay, easy. Thank you, Rodrigo. My face of angel. Hi, from Tim. Thank you. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe, friends. Thank you, Rodrigo. Still, night there? Going to sleep? 8:29. 8:29. Did you sleep well? I sleep well. But having a bad dream. Bad dream. Skin perfect. Sleep well. Okay. Before I let you go, I want to see you. All perfect. Sana all perfect. Sana all perfect and 21. Okay, Brazil sleep now. Okay, okay. 21. Why? America, I know, military time, 21. 21, 7 or 8, 9. Tomorrow pa, okay, you need to, wake up tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. Okay, sleep well. Good night there. God bless. Always. Busy at work, people. Bye, my friend. Beautiful woman, Filipino one. Grabe. Beautiful Filipino, wonderful. Tonight. Okay, bye-bye. Sleep well. Sweet dreams. Don't forget, like my friends. Okay, please. Thank you, Rodrigo, for supporting me here. Thank you. God bless. Sleep well. From Brazil. From Brazil. Thanks, my friend. Thank you also, my friend Rodrigo. God bless. Bye-bye. I love Filipino, my place. Sana all. You know what we do here? Lots of Filipino, beautiful Filipino here. Young and beautiful. So, better than me, better. Much better than me. Me, I'm not beautiful here. But I'm pretty sure. I'm not beautiful here in our country. I'm nothing here. I'm nothing. I look nothing here. Oh, woman beautiful. Oh my god. They like Filipino here. They like white skin. My color is brown. They don't prefer the brown color. They like white skin. Filipino men. Di maarte, but they're not look guwapo. Charot. There, yes, really here. Ganyan na. Nakantok. Higa na. Aray. Wait lang. You're really beautiful. Such gorgeous figures. Thank you, Mark. Uh, ah. Thank you, Mark. Aray ko. Ang sarap mahiga. So fine. So fine, so fine. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Mark. Why you long time no here, Mark? You still mad at me? You're okay now? Naulian ka na? Are you okay? No way, I was never mad. Okay. Thank you, Mark. Thank you. I am fan of yours. Ah, thank you. I forgot where are you from, Mark? You're from America, I think. Australia? America? Really attractive to you, sure. Yes. Attractive my brown skin. Thank you to those who give the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Yep. Yep, yep, yep. You gorgeous. Ah, thank you, Mark. What? Parang ano yun. Morning like that. He is in Arizona. Ah, okay. I forgot. He's in Arizona. You gorgeous. Oh, thank you, Mark. Thank you. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Paidlitan, bagaman tidadaka. Manyan isulag. Gusto ko magunat-unat. Baga, stretching like that. Morning. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, aray ko. Aray. Thank you for the heart. Thank you sa nag-heart. Heart. Heart. Thank you to this the heart. Salamat sa nag-heart. Sa tamsak. Salamat sa nagtatamsak. Salamat. Makulugod ang sikip ko. My leg is hurt because of yesterday. We walk a lot. Long walk. May tumatawa. I don't care. Guess nag-ano dito, nag-stock sa stalker. Sige, go ahead. Go. Ito kataon nyo yan. Sound stalker. Aray ko. Hello, God. Okay. Possible. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I need to sleep. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you for joining. See you again later. Bye-bye. Love you all. See you again next live. Thank you.